in this video we are going to be analysing SPRO. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key support and resistance levels on the shorter term time frame? So these are the more important ones to note if you're looking to day trade today and probably into tomorrow. After that, we'll go into the longer term levels if you're looking throughout the next week and a longer term time horizon than that. But as of right now, we can see we're actually over the third deviation on both, as you can see here, the 20-day chart and the 30-day, so 1 month chart. And we are over the third deviation on both of these, which does tell us this stock is overbought on the day, and we would expect a pullback. And at a minimum, we would expect a pullback to at least $1.70. So this really just tells us if you are buying this as a day trade above 170, you're taking on a lot of risk and kind of unnecessary risk, because more than likely we will pull back below this level, most likely today. But seeing that, if we do break higher, what are going to be further off resistances? And we can actually see this on the shorter term time frame, so we will have to be paying more attention to the longer term time frame, because then we have further resistances. But if we do break this 170 support, then pay attention to the 150, the 130, and a final level at $1. And then obviously pay attention to that gap fill at 82 cents. Now onto the longer term levels, and these are going to be just stronger in general, but are kind of key to note. And we can see we do have a as a support as of right now at $1.83. So really today, you can see actually even today we did kind of pull back to this level before buying pressure kicks in. We are overbought at least on the shorter term time frame, so we could expect to pull back to around this 170, 183 today. But if we do continue up, what are going to be even further off resistance levels? And as of right now, we have a 370 resistance, a 570, $10, $9.60, $13.50, and final levels taking us to $16.50 and a final one at $23. So these are all the key levels to be noting to the resistance side. The key focus is if we can push, we're already up 170%. If we can keep pushing, this 375 is going to be that key level. We would definitely expect a pullback, if not a reversal coming into this level. And more of an intraday focus, we are currently broken above this 180 support. We can see we basically came back to retest it as a support, and we are continuing up. So we more than likely will actually expect a push if momentum can continue to around 375. But if we start seeing selling pressure, expect to push down to 183, break through that. And really we would just expect a break back below this 170 relatively quickly, because again, that is very oversold above that level. Anyway, that is the breakdown. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.